Good morning, guys.
Right now for me it's good night.
Well, yeah, she just came off a 12-hour, gonna go straight to a 4-hour. I don't know how you do your 16-hour shifts. That's crazy. Even the guys yesterday were just like, bro, she's insane. How does she do that? I'm like, her body's like used to it now.
This guy asked me if I was a robot. He's like, you don't eat, you don't sleep. What the hell are you, a robot?
Seriously. But we're on our way to work. Shauna's dropping me this morning. First, we're getting some gas in the car. Who's pumping gas?
You are.
Rock, paper, scissors.
No.
Rock, paper, scissors.
I did that the other day to see who's gonna get to sleep on the good couch when I was on break, and I lost, and I had to sleep on the tough couch.
Okay, so rock, paper, scissors. Let's see. If you were to lose, who would? Come, ready, one?
But you're gonna do it regardless?
Yeah, I'll do it regardless.
Hold on there. Hold on. Let me pull up to the bumper.
The pumper. You ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. She sucks. Here.
Oh, good.
Should I have the card for me?
Oh, hush.
Where's the card?
My wallet. Girl, I don't put my bag back there. Do I look like I'm gonna be breaking my hand when I reach?
You see me just almost break mine.
Why she come with the car? The little girl came out to help her mom.
Which card, Shauna?
Huh?
Which card?
The bank card.
These, this?
See, maybe they said sometimes you say you don't want receipt and it still prints it. Maybe
No,
that's
a lie.
Okay, we'll talk after.
How much am I putting?
I can hear you. I don't need to open the door. Just put about $10 in there, please, darling. I want cheap gas later on today. I'll pay 92.9 for gas. Just come on in time, then, man. I'll wait till evening and pay my 88.9.
That's my wallet.
For what? You have this points plate thing? This is SO points, you know. Hello? It's SO points, not air miles.
I know that. Pass my wallet. I'm gonna go get gum. So I went to go buy some gum, and the freaking man was even at the counter, and there's like 6 of us in there calling and saying hello. No one's
And no
answering.
one was concerned enough to check if the man dropped down in the back.
We're not even allowed to cross to go in the back. So why are we going in the back? Next thing you know,
if there's a gunman in there, would you cross go at the back? Exactly,
if I had
that's
to.
The same, exactly, that's the same thing. You're concerned about his health.
says the nurse. Maybe that's a video you need to go do.
What?
And send it to me. The
What?
nursing one.
What? Why I became a nurse?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do that one just for that girl.
Hey. Shout out to us turning up our vlogging life. Vlogging life.
Us
turned
or
up.
me, eh? Them?
Why can't we say us?
Says,
You have tissue?
I do.
My allergies, man.
Sometimes I just really like my hands in my nose.
Ew, Shauna. That's so gross. They had them on sale the other day.
Why do I need that when I could just take my bottles I have right now,
And
fill it up with the ones in the
I
hospital?
never thought of that.
See? Hand sanitizer, and I'm not joking. These YouTubers be ripping you apart for any little thing you do.
Just like when I didn't have my seatbelt on, this guy's like, don't go to Jamaica and be sloppy.
What the hell? Like freaking YouTube police?
But it's not even like, you know when you're on your phone
He
and you're
said don't
driving,
be sloppy?
they don't think because you're in Jamaica and be sloppy. But it's not even like I'm sloppy. Sometimes
Okay,
when I'm
he
vlogging,
probably just cared for your life. See?
No, I understand that. And
That's why I
it's-
can't be in a jury. Seriously.
Oh, because you'll always find like
I
some.
find an excuse for everything.
But listen, it's not even like I don't drive my seatbelt. It's sometimes, you know, when you're vlogging on or you're on your phone, you just get like sick, like car sick. Wait, what? What did I say?
No, because I said Jerry, but it's really jury.
Jerry. So now we're in no frills.
Honestly, I was just walking up here, and I was just thinking, like, I don't get it. Does people not understand that the toilet paper for $7 is actually like a good grab? Like, why is there still stacks up there? I feel
Shauna,
like,
no boost. I was standing here and I'm like, when we went to Superstore, the toilet paper wasn't even like that.
bro, I thought like we would be scrambling for them right now.
Okay,
like, we'd
so
be diving.
this is the thing. There's toilet paper. How much originally? It's like $20-something, and right now you're getting
30 of them.
30 double rolls,
Name brand.
name brand, for $7. Okay.
You're
30
saving,
in it.
You're saving $12. That's what he said, right? You're
Yeah, saving $12.
I don't get it. Batiafi wipe, so
Yo, let me tell you guys something. We have not bought toilet paper in like
3 years. It's
You
3.
always,
No, it's
you're so annoying. We have not bought toilet paper in like 3 years.
Because last time they had this sale.
They had it on sale.
We bought like each, like I think 5 of us bought 4 packs each. So 5, that's 20. We bought 20 packs. So 20 times 40, and that one had 40 in it.
Yeah.
20 times 40. Do the math. For 3 years, we haven't bought toilet paper.
We haven't bought toilet paper, and now we're trying to stock it back up right now. It's so funny. It's coming like people don't know when this. They don't know sales.
Yeah, seriously.
They don't know sales. Why is there only 3 cashier opens and this place is so busy? I don't understand. So it's so brisk. I hate being cold. Like I really hate being cold. Like I just want to be hot all the okay, no, I don't want to be hot. Okay, so we're headed west because we're gonna go visit Shauna's grandkids. I swear we cannot speak tonight. We're gonna go visit my godkids. No, because even when I was editing my vlog, my Q&A, I'm like, charger. I'm like, my charger better get there, but I meant to say here. Like, oh my god. But anyways, so I'm not gonna get into details about that. But anyways, I'm actually gonna see my boyfriend on Sunday, and he doesn't know I'm coming this week. He thinks I'm coming next week. So I'm surprising Ziggy, and I'm so nervous because I don't know what's his reaction gonna be. The fact that I lied to him, telling him that I was coming.
Obviously, he's not gonna be mad that you lied. That's a good lie. Those are the lies we need in the world.
I know, right? But like, I'm excited though because usually he's good at surprising me, and I never really got to surprise him ever. So I'm nervous though. Like for the past couple of days, I've been trying to figure out what is he gonna be doing on Sunday. But like, he won't really. He's like, I don't really know. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. So I messaged his sister Camille and told her that I'm coming. So I'm gonna keep in contact with her, I guess, and see where he's at and what he's doing. My mom's in on this too.
Yeah, you're lucky if mommy don't sell it out. Mommy is the worst person, I'm telling you, to tell a secret to.
I know.
She'll be like, fine, don't tell her I told you though.
But yeah, just going down there to handle some stuff. So we finally reached our destination. We're at Shauna's best friend's house. No, she's not gonna want to go on video. You're not gonna want to go on video, right? But this is Shauna's goddaughter. Say hi. Hi. Why are you so shy? Isn't she so pretty, guys? I'd be like, who are you guys? Are you shy? Are you shy when the camera comes out? Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Tell them what you're doing. What are you doing? You want to show them what you're doing? Just playing with your stickers?
Show them what you're doing.
She's probably confused right now and be like, who am I showing? Okay, and this is Shauna's little godson. Oh my gosh, Shauna's the only godson.
I know. No.
I don't count those in Jamaica.
It's my only Canadian godson. And that's Janelle. Janelle, don't run from it. Don't run from it. Janelle, wave their hi. Okay, wave and say hi.
Yeah, so I'm just here chilling with the youngins because the youngins love niche. So yeah, doing my laundry, and I have all this to hang up and fold. I'm so nervous. I have a feeling Ziggy knows. It's really hard to surprise him, but I guess we'll see how it goes. I don't know how to feel right now. My emotions are all over the place because I'm going down there for a different reason, and I'm just... mine's all over the place. On a good note, I'm going to some heat. And then I'll vlog as usual. But obviously I'm going to have to find a way to upload when I'm down there.
Thank you.
Hi, Daddy! You can hear a belly.
It's mad thing.
We're on TV?
Oh my god!
TV.
Just the star. Come show off your tattoo. Your tattoo's so sick. Look how sick it looks though.
Oh, just string.
Good morning, guys. So today is the day that I'm leaving. Here's a quick hot mess. I don't know what's up with my hair. But I'm just here with Shauna. Keisha. But yeah, kind of like, I don't know how to feel right now. I don't know how to feel right now. I'm still kind of nervous. I told Ziggy I'm working today. don't think I'm gonna vlog when I'm in the airport because airport is too boring. I think I can vlog it.
You have too much bags.
Too much baggage on me. I'm not gonna see you guys in like, I don't even know how long. Isn't that weird?
No, we're used to it.
You guys already know, as soon as I come off the plane, I try to get me some jerk pork and some bami. Oh my god. So anyways, my mama picked me up from the airport with her friend Mel. I'll show you guys Mel later. No, none of you guys can't have her. I don't know, are you single, Mel?
Yeah.
Oh wait, Pa, she's single. So any cute guys out there? I'm joking. We're on our way to go see Ziggy. I'm so anxious. I think he knows that I'm here, but it's okay. We'll see. We'll catch his reaction.
I've been visiting my restaurant often lately, and I found that really weird. He doesn't visit.
Surprise! Are you surprised? Are you surprised? Are you surprised?
Alright, the good job.
That's why I thought I could look like that. So even if you bite into on the plane just to text you. Surprise! I'm gonna get those. Nisha, nothing came on the blog, you know. Guys, mission accomplished. I surprised him. I've been filming all day. You're gonna see. Oh, my camera's upside down. Oh. My mom's like, what did she say? Just kiss my hair. I told her I wanted to surprise her and surprise you. And she's like, oh my god, yes, I had to get back Ziggy because that one time when you got her, or twice you got her with Shauna and with Keisha and Mike. She was so excited all day. She was texting me. I'm just like, oh my god. Yo, all your drink went in my freaking ear. You seriously can't breathe?
Yo,
So why are you trying to clean up your room now?
No. Yo, I swear.
Catch your breath.
Good one.
I had to, man.
Good one.
What a way to bring in 2016. Are you really choking? Vlogs, don't worry. There will be vlogs. I even caught his reaction. And he spilled liquor in my hair.
Good day, yo.
Medea.